I've been having such a hard time trying to find the right way to say this, and it's really tearing me up inside. This is not something I ever wanted to talk about, and I hate that I'm in a position where I have to bring it up now. But the truth is, I'm not able to walk away from the third party right now. I know that's not what you want to hear, and honestly, it's not what I want either. I had every intention of ending things with her, of cutting ties completely, but every time I get close to doing that, something happens that keeps pulling me back in. It feels like whenever I'm finally ready to break things off for good, something new comes up that forces me to stay in this situation. It's like I'm stuck, and I don't know how to get out of it. You have no idea. You have no idea how much it hurts me to be caught in the middle of all this, knowing that it's going to hurt you. It breaks my heart because I don't want to destroy what we have, but I'm trapped in something I didn't see coming. I've been losing sleep over this, constantly thinking about how to fix everything, but I feel like I'm stuck in a situation that's impossible to escape. I wish I could explain it all clearly right now. It's so complicated. There are so many things going on that make it hard to explain, but I want to be honest with you about what's happening. One thing I can tell you is what she texted me last night, and why I'm starting to feel like something isn't right with the whole situation. There's something off about the way things are playing out, and I want to tell you everything. You deserve to know the full story. And I'll explain it all to you. Last night, she texted me, and what she said left me in shock. She told me she had just come back from the hospital, and her message hit me like a ton of bricks. She said that her test results had come back, and they were positive, she's pregnant, and she's going to be the mother of my child. I can't even begin to explain what it felt like to read those words. It was like my whole world flipped upside down. My hands were shaking, and my mind was racing. I wanted to scream, to throw my phone, to do anything but sit there in disbelief. But all I could do was stare at the screen, trying to process it. I knew this was going to change everything. I knew that this was the one thing that could tie me to her, no matter how much I wanted to walk away. The moment I read her message, I realized that this wasn't just a small complication. It was something that could keep me bound to her in a way that I never expected. It felt like the walls were closing in on me, and I had no idea what to do next. Now I am stuck in this whirlwind of emotion, not knowing how to tell you, or even what this means for us. I've been going back and forth in my head, trying to figure out how to handle this, and I know that it's going to change everything. But here's the thing, I don't believe this child is mine. As much as her message was shocking, I can't shake this feeling that something isn't right. There are details that don't add up. Things that make me question if what she's saying is the truth. I want to explain it all to you, because I know you'll be just as shocked as I was when you hear the full story. There's so much more to this than just what her message said, and I need you to hear me out. Please give me a chance to tell you everything, because I want you to understand where I'm coming from and why I have doubts. I know this is a difficult situation. I know this is a lot to take in, but I need you to know the truth. Please hear me out. I don't trust her, and I can't bring myself to believe what she's saying. Something about this whole situation just doesn't sit right with me. The timing is way too suspicious. Right when I was finally ready to cut ties for good and walk away, she suddenly drops this news. It doesn't add up. It feels too convenient, like it's meant to trap me. We were always careful, every single time, and on top of that, I know she's been with other people. There's just no way this child could be mine, and that thought is eating me up inside. It's like she's trying to play me, manipulating the situation to make sure I stay. I can't shake this feeling that she's using this pregnancy as a way to keep me around, to stop me from leaving when I've already made up my mind to walk away. I'm caught in the middle of this mess, and it's making me question everything. Honestly, I don't know what to think anymore, because nothing about this feels right. I feel like I'm being backed into a corner, with no way out. On one side, there's what I know in my heart, that something is off, that she's not being truthful. On the other side, there's what she's telling me, and it's making me doubt myself. I just need some time to figure out what's really going on, to separate the truth from the lies. Right now, everything feels like a blur, and none of it makes any sense. Until I can get some clear answers, I don't know how to move forward from this. I'm scared of what this could mean for us, for our future. I'm terrified of how this will affect everything, and I hate that it's pushing me. It's putting us in such a difficult spot. But I need to get to the bottom of this before I make any decisions, because something about her story just isn't adding up. I need time, and I hope you'll understand that I'm trying to do what's best for both of us, even if it's hard right now. Let's shift the focus. Let's shift the focus to your finances. Right now, emotions are clouding your mind, and it's causing you to lose the momentum you once had. It's time to shake off the negativity and refocus on your financial goals. You need to remember just how strong you are. Financial setbacks don't define you. You're bigger and more resilient than any challenges you face.